Instabook, the dawn of a new age in printing. Team 3 Web Designs has come to you today with the winning proposal for your new Instabook website. Our site is sure to wow you. It is 508 compliant and very user-friendly. Your customers, both current and future, are sure to love how easy it is to use. From our careful analysis of your current customers, along with some interviews of employees, we have come up with a website that is sure to deliver. With your current business and our new web page, I hope you are ready. This new page is sure to increase your customer base to heights you cannot imagine. With the ever-evolving web era, you are sure to win with Team 3 Web Designs. Our proposal homepage will include many useful links to choose from. Our team will further go through the proposal with you to showcase your exciting new site. With that said, let me introduce our team. Team 3 Web Designs consists of the following personnel. Our project manager is Chris Young. Our web developer is Julie Bressler. Our research is conducted by Jason Bennett. Our quality control is performed by Ricky Petticord. Finally, I am our writer-editor, and my name is John Julik.
Knowing your current customer base is mostly composed of corporate trainers. We understand your desire to expand into other markets and feel that we are fully capable of building your website to accomplish this task. The ability of professors to be able to compile their lesson plan within the website could be a very valuable investment. Corporate training will remain a solid feature set within the website, along with pages that can be geared to build on an educator's established experience with technology. Although you have a current customer base with experience, we will build the website so that even new users will be able to use the site with fluidity. The goal will be to make your website usable to those who have never even heard of your organization, thereby establishing the likelihood of repeat visitors. Both your established customer base and potential future customers are always going to want to get the product as fast as possible and with the utmost ease. While it is known that a portion of your current customer base operates with some type of physical impairment, we will build your website to cover any and all possibilities of impairment, ensuring that your website is available to all who want to use it. In an effort to save time and increase efficiency, your current customer base has asked for the ability to do one-stop shopping. Our website will provide the customers with a customized shopping experience that gives them the ability to make the website work for them. We will remove the need for the customer to step outside of the website to complete their transactions. Customers will have the ability to assemble their material, review their documentation, pay for the material, and either order it for print or save an electronic copy for use or continuance of work at a later date. The need for your customers to be able to work in brief periods of time due to their work schedules is paramount. Due to your clientele, they may only be able to work on their materials in chunks of time. Due to the request for direct customer service, the website will provide a plethora of options available for your customer base to access service from your personnel. We can provide links for phone, email, and chat services if requested. Based on feedback from your customers, we have learned that they need direct help immediately and will consider it a value-added service. The website will be built with consideration that a majority of your customer base will either be using Windows Office or the Apple OS X platform. Of course, with the knowledge base of your current and potential customers, there are other platforms to consider. The ever-increasing popularity of Linux platforms means that we will also perform our build with a consideration of this operating system as well. We will build the website assuming that a majority of your customers are using speeds of a DSL or broadband connection. But knowing that there are still locations that these speeds of service are not available, we will design and include considerations for dial-up connections. Due to the ever-growing methods and providers of internet browsing applications, we will ensure that your website works with the four most popular browsers. Internet Explorer and Safari will be concentrated on due to these browsers being the built-in defaults of the popular Office platforms. We will also build in consideration of users that will or may utilize Firefox and Chrome.
Proper data collection will allow us to gain a complete and detailed understanding of the needs of the end users of your site, saving a lot of time and money that may have been spent designing and developing a site that is not functional and thus useless to the end user. We will begin our data collection by creating both electronic and paper-based surveys that will be distributed to your current customers. And, in an attempt to expand Instabook's customer base, These surveys will also be sent to a number of area educators via email and standard U.S. mail. We will also be conducting various small group interviews with both the local educators and nearby corporate trainers that we believe could benefit from Instabook services. We would also like to take advantage of Instabook's appearances in trade shows by collecting end-user data through personal interviews and by handing out surveys to current and potential Instabook customers.
The Instabook homepage will clearly communicate the site's objective of customized training materials as well as show all major options available on the website. The homepage will be limited to only one screen full of information. Information that cannot be seen in the first screen full may be missed altogether. This is very bad and should be avoided in web design. Main topics will be presented in order of importance. The main function of the website is to allow any user to search available resources, compile a list of chapters and articles, save this set, and print or download the set. The site will provide easy access to the home page from every page in the site. The design will be very professional yet very slick and simple. The Instabook website will be broken down into 6 major sections. The About Us section, which has a 30-minute video about the company as well as a department and employee listing. The Contact Us section, which provides various ways to contact the company if you have any questions or issues. The Place New Orders section, which allows you to search via various parameters as well as list all available titles and allow previews of selected titles. The My Dashboard section, which will allow you to view your order history, view your user profile, and track any open orders. The FAQ section, which has answers to some common questions and allows a user to view some sample materials. And the News and Site Updates section, which includes company news as well as updates to the website. The website will be 508 compliant and will contain appropriate alt tags on all images and appropriate captions on all videos. No frames will be used. Every table will be named and labeled. External CSS will be used for headings, lists, and all types of font styling, as it will allow the site owner to replace the style sheet at their own leisure. There will be no blinking text or other design elements that are known to cause seizures. Strong tags will be used over B tags for boldface text, and EM tags will be used over I tags for italic text when showing emphasis on a word. Text reading order will be checked in regards to how the site will work with a screen reader. The website will be designed to run in Internet Explorer, Firefox, and Chrome, as these are the 3 most frequently used browsers. The website will be completely cross-browser across Internet Explorer, Firefox, and Chrome by using HTML and XHTML coding that is W3C validated. The website will require users to download Adobe Flash Player to view the 30-minute video about the company, as well as for any videos posted in the future. The website will be designed in responsive web design so that you will have more live space on a bigger display device and less live space on a smaller display device. We will use the Verdana font because it is a very highly legible font face for a computer display device and will be in 12 points to avoid the issue of being illegible on a Mac. Bold will only be used when needed to draw the user's attention, and italics will only be used for short passages or when putting emphasis on a word. For colorblind users, the safest colors are black, white, and gray, followed by blue and yellow, so these will be used. We will also go with a basic white background with black text and will use basic grayscale shading. The color will be kept simple to meet accessibility, but also be a very professional and streamlined design.
The Instabook homepage will clearly communicate the site's objective of customized training materials and will show all major options available on the website. The site homepage will feature an image of Harold Kern, where we will also include an intro from him similar to what is included now with your brochure. However, this intro will be rewritten to consist of the new website features. The website's main function will be to allow any user to search available resources, compile a list of chapters or articles, save the set, and print or even download the set. The first major section is About Us. Here we will give the user the chance to watch a 30-minute video about our company. The video will also give the user an overview of all the different options we have to offer. We will also provide a department and employee listing. The second major section is Contact Us. This is probably one of the most important links of the website. We will give the user the ability to contact us very quickly and get prompt support or sales information. Our customers will have the option to contact us via phone, email, or 24/7 live customer chat support. The third major section is where the user can actually place a new order. This function will enable the user to search by many options including new releases, ISBN number, title, and much more. Also, the order selection process will include new forms so the user can order from different chapters, articles, sequence them, and then finally place the actual order. The fourth major section is titled My Dashboard. This will be the key area where the user can go to view their order history, make any changes to their profile, or even track their printed orders. The FAQ section will really list any common questions that we receive from our customers currently. Here we will also include some sample materials. And our last major section will be titled News and Site Updates. This is really just anything new or updated that we want to keep our customers informed of, and we want to stand out on our website as being something new or changed. We also want to note that our website has been programmed with a responsive web design setup. What this means is that the site will automatically adjust what the user sees depending on what type of device the customer is utilizing. The website will be consistently formatted with clear, accessible text. We will include alt tags with all of our images. Alt tags are invisible descriptions of images which are read aloud to blind users on a screen reader. Adding an alt text allows authors to include images but still provide content in an alternative text-based format. The introduction from Harold Kern will also be set up using div tags and CSS formatting.
As you can see from the provided flowchart, we have chosen to provide you with a straightforward and easy to navigate website. This simple design will allow your customers to easily find and navigate to the section of the website that they are looking for without sacrificing any of the bells and whistles that customers have become accustomed to. Our simplified design will also allow for a great amount of flexibility and future expansion as we continue to collect more data from current and future customers. Choosing Team 3 for your design needs will allow Instabook to maintain its competitive edge in the marketplace both now and in the future.